Video number 2, drilling out stuck wheel lug bolt, not lug nuts. Okay, so the thing I wanted to add is that just in terms of drilling, so I have been using it, this drill bit here, which I think is 3/16 or maybe 5/8. Let's have a look, one or the other anyway. So start off small and go bigger, but I've also just discovered that this drill bit is working pretty good, and that's, let's see now, maybe I'll get you the size of that. Should have been ready with this. Anyway, I think you can see the size there, right? It's just barely slotting in there, number one. Number two, it's a DeWalt, is that the word? Yeah, and it's sort of one of these gold ones, so you can see there, I'm getting a lot of residue. I'm getting a lot done without melting anything. So let me just show you that real quick. Okay, so we're just going all the way in. So I'm making some headway with that drill bit, and that's good that it's catching like that. That means it's catching the edges, which means it's just weakening everything. Okay, now, and I'll just show you the DeWalt drill, just for the fun of it, because we like toys, don't we? So in it goes, and it's hammer. You can only literally do a few seconds, then switch it over, switch to the other side. Why can you only do a few seconds? Because it's heating up. Okay, and the bit itself starts to melt eventually. So I think you can see that. Yeah, that's a pretty good bit still, and it's getting a lot. So anyway, that's it. So then I go for to get it off eventually. What I do is I take it's a 17 bolt, but I take a 16. Okay, I've lost my 16mm bolt extractor. I'm not sure what the heck happened to that, but anyway, this is being pretty effective. This just got one out for me. It's got the multiple teeth. Okay, so put it in there. This would be great now if this happened on film, right? So I'm putting, I can find my, there it is. Okay, just giving a good whack in there. All right, you're not damaging anything. Okay, then getting this bar, put it in, and then getting the old thing like this. Okay, just give me a second while I get into position. Well, we just keep going, why don't we? Okay, some of you want to see the beamer itself. There it is. A little bit of sun this morning, but anyway, there's the 430 is what I have, f32. And I think the only reason the bolts were stuck was because it was sitting in the dealership outside for about 6 months, and I think that's just what got it rusted. There was a lot of leaves and stuff when I first got it. That's literally 2 years ago, so that's how long I've been, well, not really how long I haven't taken off the wheels. It's more that the front brake pads needed to be done, and that's when I discovered it. Let's see what happens. Okay, get my bar, and I'm pulling upwards. For some reason, it seems to work better. Okay, so it is slipping. Yeah, it's slipping. All right, so I've either got to get a smaller bolt or I've got to find my other bolt. Okay, but either way, eventually it comes out. I just got one out, as I say. I'm down to the last two. Thanks for joining me.